you know the differences between the inverted T-type and the T-type horizontal machining center? Let's tell you now. The inverted T-type rotary table moves horizontally on the x-axis. The spindle box moves up and down on the y-axis, and the column with the spindle box moves back and forth on the z-axis. Its inverted T-shaped bed lowers the center of gravity, ensuring high rigidity. It offers high precision and minimal vibration when machining heavy workpieces with fast response and high efficiency. Plus, it's affordable and cost-effective, making it ideal for small and medium-sized enterprises. In the T-type structure, the column drives the spindle box to move left and right on the x-axis, the spindle box moves up and down on the y-axis, and the rotary table moves back and forth on the z-axis. Its layout provides a large workspace and flexible angles, facilitating operation and maintenance. It excels in machining large, complex parts, and is widely used in high-precision fields like aerospace, though it comes at a higher price. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about machining center structures or have other technical questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We will be happy to share more professional insights.